SUVs and CUVs are literally taking over the road. It's a trend that's not slowing down either. In 2023, SUVs and CUVs made up half of all US vehicle sales. In 2024, that number jumped to 58%. At the same time, the passenger car segment dropped to just 19%, the lowest level ever recorded. What's all this got to do with you, though? That shift in what drivers are buying has a direct impact on what dealers need to stock. In this video, we'll talk about why the SUV-CUV market continues to drive demand and why customer preference will drive sales. Right now, CUV and SUV tire sizes dominate both the OE and replacement markets. 7 out of the top 10 replacement tire sizes are built for SUVs and crossovers. All 10 of the top OE sizes also fall into this category. If you look at the best-selling vehicles in 2024, more than half were SUVs and crossovers. Let's face it, this is the new normal. For tire dealers, that means preparing now for what's already here, the continued surge in demand for SUV and CUV tires. Dealers who want to stay competitive should stock a wide selection of CUV and SUV tire sizes across various price points with same-day installation options. However, inventory should just be one part of the strategy. Training your staff to help customers pick the right tire for their SUV or CUV is just as important. Most CUV and SUV owners are looking for a replacement tire that meets 3 main needs. First, they want performance, be that on or off-road. Some may lean toward ultra-high performance tires for better road handling at higher speeds. Others will want all-terrain capability for weekend trips or work-related hauling. Second, ride comfort and noise level are big priorities for customers. Some modern SUV drivers expect a smooth, quiet ride, especially when going from OE to replacement tires. That means your techs and counter staff should understand and communicate the differences between tread patterns and compounds so customers find what fits them best. Third is the look of the tire. Many drivers care just as much about appearance as performance. Sidewall design, shoulder styling, and even the shape of the tread can influence buying decisions. When making your recommendations, remember that customers are choosing a product they'll see every single day. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.